What is going on, everyone, and welcome to this long overdue meal prep video. It has been probably, I would say, well over a year the last time I recorded one of these videos. But even though it's been that long, the format is gonna stay the same. So you're getting all the groceries, you're getting the meals, all of that stuff is gonna be in the description. So make sure to check it out. But life has been crazy for me. I got married, I got one dog, I got two dogs, full-time job, now building apps. So my apologies. I'm going to try to get back on a normal schedule. But for those of you who have stuck around, I really appreciate it. And I plan to do more. They're probably not going to be as in depth starting out. They're might be a little bit shorter, just so I can make a better habit of creating videos, right? Because I think I got out of the habit of creating videos, and then, I got out of it, and I just, it was a struggle to get back in. So I'm trying to dip my toes back in the water, and we're going to see how it feels. But I've just been seeing a lot of people posting meal prep videos. A lot of people have also asked me to post meal prep videos, and I've watched them, and I'm like, oh, I can do that. And this might be going too far, but I think I can do it better, Maybe that's not the case, but I believe I can make these videos, meal prep videos, better. So get ready for them. Again, it might be slow coming out at first, but I do plan to be on a more regular schedule creating these videos. But now we're a quarter of the way through the video and I'm just rambling like I normally do if you've watched these videos in the past. But I will pop back in to talk about the meals. So just keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll be back in a few. And I'm back. So for this meal, this would be my dinner. I'm doing half a cup of rice, about 6 to 6.5 ounces of the lean ground beef. And then I'm also doing about 3/4 cup, a little less of the sauteed, I'm blanking, peppers. So that is this meal. And it has been a while since I have made this many meals, because honestly, nowadays, with my wife and, what we like to do, we will go out to eat a couple days a week. We'll get one of those food services. So we've had HelloFresh. We've had, there's a place called like Clean Eats around us. They do some good meals. So we'll get a couple of those for the week. So I don't always, meal prep this many meals every day of the week. Sometimes I just do 3. Sometimes I will do 5, but it really just depends. And it's funny because I would have never thought that I wouldn't meal prep for like 5 to 6 days of the week, because, 4 or 5 years ago, that's all I did religiously, right? Was just meal prep for every day of the week. It didn't even seem like an option not to, but life changes. So that's why these videos are going to be also slightly a little, different, because my life's a little different now. So hopefully that is okay with you guys, and hopefully we continue to grow. But this next meal is my lunch, and it's going to be a barbecue chicken wrap. And I did slightly overcook the meat, so you don't want to cook it as long as I did. I put the right instructions on the screen though. But I did about 6 to 7 ounces of chicken, and then about a half a cup of these cherry tomatoes. And the barbecue sauce I used, or the seasonings, all that stuff, guys, just like the past, you guys can use whatever seasonings you want. But I used that barbecue Montgomery and barbecue one that's from around here. But anyways, back to what's going on the screen is I'm doing 2 leet hearts, of lettuce for my wraps, and then 1 tortilla, the low carb tortillas. So now we're switching gears. So these are a couple of her meals. So I just decided to throw in a couple of her meals that I'm going to make for her. And it's just a simple deli turkey wrap on that low carb bread. So I got a little bit of mayo, a little mustard, 2 ounces or 2.5 ounces of the deli turkey, and then a little less than 1/4 of a cup of this shredded cheese. It's about 2 tablespoons. So she'll have 2 meals of that for lunch. And then I also made her the chicken wrap as well. And then here I am slowly rolling it up, and then I sped that clip up. And I had to put a toothpick for a visual. I had to stick a toothpick in it so it would stay together. But then here's her. Yeah, so she's getting about 4 ounces of the chicken, as well as some of those tomatoes. So just like my meal, just a little bit less. And then for the, I'm also going to be doing some cheese cups, and I put ranch in the cups as well. You'll see that in just a few seconds. I like to package those as well because it just makes things easier. And that's me saying I'm about done, because I am exhausted at this point. When I was doing this prep, it took longer because I haven't done it as much. Thank you all for watching. This will not be my last video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to leave a comment. I will probably remember who you are because I used to read all of those. So thank you, and I'm out.